Iltqajna mal-istorja ta' Filippa li għaddiet mill-viċċi ta' droga, mill-prostituzzjoni, mis-swat, mit-teddit u minn rape. Filippa tispiċċa tipprova ddaħħal droga f'Malta, imma nqabdet u teħel il-ħabs. L-esperjenza ta' Filippa fil-ħabs hija indeskrivibbli. Il-ħabs ibiddel il-Filippa għall-aħjar, għalkemm hija mara f'ġisem ta' raġel, persuna transgender, fil-ħabs jitfgħuha fis-section tal-irġiel. Filippa tgħidilna li sabet familja fil-ħabs.
Definitely. Prison changed me for the better, definitely. So who gets to experience this? Maybe not everyone agree with me, but on my case, on my personal life, I needed this to happen because I needed a stop of what I was doing. I mean, at first it wasn't my choice to stay in the male side, but when I arrived to prison the first time, there was someone there. And I have to say that thanks to her, she opened my eyes, like as if how to deal with prison, how to learn my day by day, how to take it in, being on the male side, like she made me strong, and I own that to her. Once you have these friends and you get close with these friends, it's like you have family. Their families used to support me, like to bring me food or either clothes or either makeup or either whatever. People you don't know from nowhere, but through these friends that I made, they managed to help me, or either money-wise, sometimes,
Fil-ħabs ta' Kordin, Filippa tajt illi sabet nies li għenuha u nies illi jemnu fiha.
It changed me. I had the privilege to be with people every day as officers, like they could believe in me and they gave me a word and they gave me good advices and they guided me through the years and they trusted me and they gave me the freedom to do the sort of what I wanted to do,
L-aktar ħaġa ta' dwejja għalija kienet meta jagħmluha strip search. Għax minħabba li hija transgender, kienet tħossha umiljata kemm minn raġel u kemm minn mara.
Yes, the strip search were made by male officers. It was very, awkward, embarrassing, many things. It's uncomfortable. When you are a transgender and you are with a man and perhaps with a woman will be the same thing. For me, that's something that it will be hard to deal with, because being a woman or man officer, I would feel the same way.
Fil-ħabs issib l-imħabba ta' ħajjita.
Wara snin ta' nies jużawha, jabbużawha u jitilqwa weħida, Filippa issib xi ħaġa illi qatt ma ħasbet li se ssib. Filippa issib l-imħabba.
Yes, I found love. I mean, that was more about finding at first a friend, your best friend, actually, the friend that you never had, that we were always together in the bad times and the good times, a good listener. But yes, I can say it was the best thing that happened to me inside there,
Mamma Pippa bdejt minn hemm ir-relazzjoni baħriġna flimkien u komplejna sissa. Konna kollha close ħafna.
Oyvind, l-arusa Filippa jgħidilna li lilu ma tagħmlu l-ebda differenza li Filippa hija transgender. Għalih, Filippa hija mara bħal kull mara oħra.
Ma tagħmilx differenza. Jiena li hija mara. Tħobb bħala mara normali, rispett bħala mara normali, naħseb anzi iktar. Isma' li mhux kulħadd isebha x'hekk, fimt, għax mara hekk. Kien hemm ħafna nies li kienu jirrispettaw għalli u kien hemm ħafna li ma kinux. Nħobba. Nħobba ma nurix. Mhux għax ma rridx nurija, imma ma nurix. Nħobb anke l-familja nħobb. Ma nurix.
As my best friend, my friend, whatever, my partner. He never gave up on me, and today he's still not giving up.
Isni miż-żewġ, la ngħixu flimkien illa ngħixu flimkien. Għalija miż-żewġ. Iż-żwieġ ċurkettu. Il-bqija l-istess ħaġa fejn tkun ħatibqa'. Ġast għandek ċurket fidek. Ma nix minn ajra ta'. Eżempju għarejjes, ħbieb. Mux ġast li għedin flimkien, ħbieb u koll. Nisma l-affarijiet tagħha u tisma l-affarijiet tiegħi volja jena ma tantx. Iktar minn tagħha nisma'. Ġim ma tantx titkellem.
Ovvjament fil-ħabs din il-koppja rridu joqdu attenti illi ħadd ma jinduna bir-relazzjoni tagħhom. Għax kieku indunaw il-Filippa kienu jibatuha f'division oħra.
Never we gave to understand that we were together, because that's how it had to be. It's never easy a relationship in prison. I mean, in the end of the day, in prison we still be being humans, we still have hearts. You know, many of them sadly have to stay there for their lives, and they could be allowed to love. You know, I mean, we still love each other, not because we are in prison we cannot love each other.
Kont immur fiċ-ċella taħħi u fiċ-ċella tiegħi ġieli konna nkunu ħbieb kollha f'daqqa. L-bqija ma kien hemm l-ebda regola li tgħidlek ismu ma tistax tidħol ġo ċella tal-ieħor. Li ma tistax tagħlaq il-bieb. Kien hemm dik ir-regola. K'eżempju hemm iktar minn persuna ġo ċella, jekk jien qiegħed waħdi ġo l-kamra tiegħi, nista' nagħlaq il-bieb. Ma jekk qegħdin tnejn, tlieta, erba', tista' tkun 10 ġo ċella, bieb miftuħ.
Filippa kuntenta li tgħix Malta għax Malta bidlita u tagħta opportunitajiet ġodda.
Maltese people, they are very kind. To me, they always been kind. I mean, I find them funny people, you know, they joke, they laugh, I see them with good spirit, you know, but I'm quite happy. I feel like I really wish I could say I'm proud to be Maltese, you know. But I can say that I'm proud to live in Malta, and Malta was the country that changed me, you know, as a person, as life, and the chances I have them here, and you know, I'm very happy.